Hey, today we are repairing iPhone 6. We have not been publishing movies with iPhones for a long time, so it's time to make up for it. Soon there will be error 9 and a repair guide. Now we show how to fix the screen backlight in the iPhone 6. You can find the schema on GSM forum. Two 240 ohms filters are responsible for the backlight. To check them, set the multimeter to measure the diode, and if it buzzes, it means that the diode is okay. If it does not buzz, it means that the filter is to be replaced. We present how to do it. We use soldering tweezers for desoldering. For soldering the filter, we will use a hot air soldering iron and a temperature of 324 degrees.